Welcome to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and today I'm going to show you how to draw 2008 in bubble writing. And bubble writing is kind of the easiest way of doing lettering, but some people, some people just do bubble writing without thinking. Some people still find it quite difficult, and this is a way of making it look really, really neat. So we're going to start off by drawing a very simple 2, and I am hardly pressing on the paper, which is really important because you want to erase it later. If you press too hard, it's going to be difficult. Now we need a good space here, so we're going to draw 2-0, and so as I say, just kind of lightly touch the paper, don't press too hard, and then that makes it easier to erase later. If you press too hard, the graphite gets ingrained into the paper and it gets very hard to erase it later. So now we want the one, you see this distance here, that's about what we want again, like that. So that's going to be the one with a little flick on there, and then this kind of distance, so this is going to be the 8. And if you see my other 2008 videos, how to draw 2008 videos up here, you'll know that the letters that have a curve in them, like 2s and 0s, those curves want to be just slightly below the top and the bottom line, if they're on the lines like that. Again, zooming in to watch the bubble magic as it happens. So what we do is we start a little away from the line, and when we come to an end, we swing around it as if it's kind of the point of a compass. And then here, so here again, we're going to swing around there, swing around like it's the point of a compass. Stop there, and then we're going to go all the way around and join up there. And I think the thing that is really difficult about this is maintaining an equal distance from the center, but if you take your time, it's going to work. And so you're constantly wanting to keep this thickness here equal in all these letters, which is not easy. So I'm going to bring that down there, swing it round, there we go, like that. And now the 8, I'm going to do around there like that, and around there like that. And then, as I say, we want to kind of keep that thickness the same again. It's not easy, but this is kind of an easier way. I don't think any lettering is easy, but I think using this central line makes it much easier doing this bubble writing style. Then you can colour it in any way you like, and then come back to my next video is how to turn this into a 3D version. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, keep coming back to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you next time. You take care now, bye.